Oh yeah, welcome to the channel. Kid Showtime here, the Hype Beast bartender, and it's time to make the Make America Grape Again. All right, so first get your cup of ice. Bam. First, we're gonna open up that Grape Buzzball. All right, followed by 99 grapes. Followed by 2 shots of Titos. Bam.
Yeet.
There's the first one. All right, then now you're gonna fill it up with the Make America Grape Again soda. Bam, get that out of here. Now to shake it up.
Oh, good, this mother.
Oh yeah, y'all. If you like grape soda, you're gonna like this, y'all. It's delicious. It's Ono, y'all. If you like that grape flavor. If you're not a grape flavor fan, you're not gonna like this because that grape taste is strong. Oh yeah. To the next, bro. B. Boozing time, baby. Aw, yeah.